This tutorial will cover how to add a new location to your map. And again, you should set up your map first before you add a location. This is just kind of the best way to handle that. It makes the process a bit smoother if you do it that way. So this is assuming that you have set up the map. So let's just go ahead and click on Map Locations. And I have already added quite a bit, so let's just click on one to see how this is set up. Now this is from the demo site, so some of this might look familiar. It's very much like a post, you know, it's all WordPress based, pretty familiar stuff here, just like adding a blog entry. You know, you'll add your title and your content. This description is what appears in the pop-up. So I will open that in a new tab so you can kind of see the corresponding front end side to this. And we'll just find this location, which is custom mapping, which I believe is right there. So let's just zoom in and click that one. You can see my description appears here to the right, and that would be the main description. So if I just scroll down, the setting here is enable pop-up. This is if you want to have this pop-up appear. By default, you can just have tooltips if you want. For example, if you don't want the pop-up for certain maps, that's why that comes in handy. A lot of people don't really need the gallery settings. So the tooltip setting is next. That's exactly what appears in your tooltip. A title. The title of the entry is the title in the tooltip. So we have custom mapping, which appears there, and then we have our custom tooltip content, which I would enter into this field. Now this particular entry doesn't have a video, so it's just a gallery. I have the ability to add a video which would appear here, and that's simply by using YouTube or Vimeo embed code. So you don't want to enter the URL, you want to actually enter the embed code from YouTube or Vimeo. And by entering a description here, this would be like a footnote to that video and to the gallery, which would appear right underneath here. So the next section is the images section. Now this is where you upload images to your gallery. Right here I have 4 different images just showing different maps that you can use with Mapify, which basically is anything. It's as simple as selecting, you upload your media here, and it will automatically be added via WordPress's gallery uploading interface. Mapify takes care of all of the thumbnails and the gallery itself. So if you add more, you will be able to go left and right to sort through as many images as you want through that setting. Now the location is if you've chosen Google Maps mode in your custom settings, you can either enter the address here or you just double click wherever you want that. It's pretty simple to add a pinpoint. It's really good for adding it, you know, kind of arbitrary locations like the ocean or a specific address by entering there. If you're using image mode, it's essentially the same. Obviously there's no address, so you're going to double click wherever you want that location to be. You can also click and drag, obviously, to move around the map. And it's as simple as double clicking. After that, click update and your location has been added to your map successfully.